Hey guys, in this one, I want to show you how to get a picture-in-picture effect in iMovie for iPhone. So let's get iMovie opened up, and I've got a project right here. So I'm just going to click on edit to get this edited, and you can see I've just got some cuts here, different cuts that I'm working on. But what I want to do is add that classic picture-in-picture style. So the easiest way to do that is to come to the left-hand side, click this plus button. Then you have to choose some media that you want to add onto your timeline. So with a picture-in-picture, you can either add video or photo. I'm gonna add video just to show you. So I'm gonna click on video right here. Then you have to go and find it on your phone. So you can either choose recently added. So I'll just go to all, this is all the media on my phone that I can actually add in. So let me choose this one. I can highlight it, make sure it's yellow, and then what I want to do is come to these three dots on the right hand side, and it will give me a load of options that I can use, and I can just very simply choose picture in picture. So I click on this one, then you can see it's inserted onto my timeline within a picture in picture. There's a few things that you can do with this. So the first one is to make sure it's highlighted. You can then click and hold on it and basically drag it exactly where you want in the timeline. So wherever you want to put that picture in picture, you can put that there and it will just be on top of your timeline. Then if you highlight it again, you'll see that in the editing window, there are three options that come up on the right hand side. So the first one is to press this magnifying glass, and you can essentially pinch to zoom within the picture in picture. So if I now pinch and zoom on that itself, you can see that I'm actually zooming in and out of the image within that picture. So that's really great. So you can make sure that that's in any way that you want. Also really great is if you touch the arrows right here, you can basically drag it. So if you just use one finger, you can drag this picture in picture around your base canvas anywhere that you want. And if you use two fingers to pinch, you can basically resize the picture in picture itself. So that can be bigger and smaller. So you're not zooming on the video inside it anymore, but you're actually just changing how big that picture in picture is. Then the third option down below that is essentially adding or taking away a border. So you can see as I press it, there may be no border, or you can use a white border around the picture in picture. You can also edit that picture in picture any way that you want, just like a normal clip. Edit the start and end point by clicking on the either left or right side. So maybe if I start the picture in picture from here, you can see that will just edit just like a normal video clip. You can also split it as well. So if you come about halfway through, make sure it's highlighted. You can split that clip and then basically move the split clip around anywhere that you want. You can edit it just like a normal video clip once it's inserted into your timeline. Check out the description for way more iMovie tutorials. Give the video a thumbs up if it was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.